Hello friends! We are here today to show you some gameplay for train tracks. We are going to do a brief playthrough, showing the turn order and statements, and get a feel for the game. Then we will go over on how to use this to teach spinal tracks and the kinds of learning opportunities there are with this tool. Now on to the game. Deal 4 cards to each player. Player A will go first. They will play a card, make a statement. The dorsal column cunatus fasciculus transmits vibration and is afferent. They will draw a card and then pass the turn. The dorsal column gracilis fasciculus has cell bodies on the VPL and is afferent. The posterior spinal cerebellar does proprioception and does not decussate. The dorsal column cunatus fasciculus decussates in the medulla oblongata and does the afferents for vibration. The game will play itself out, and the person with the most points wins. As much fun as this game can be, it is also a little intimidating. When playing with new people, we don't play with points. Everyone plays with the cards face up, and the more experienced player guides the new player's experience. At this point in time, we are trying to get the new player familiarized with the chart. Here, I would point at the dorsal column and ask, where does this have cell bodies? They will eventually find it, sound it out, and then might need to be reminded they have cards. Once they played the card, I would help them with their statement, pointing and prompting. At no point have I told them what to say, play, or do. I've only assisted and guided their play. When I play a card, I would do much the same thing. I would ask, which tract does unconscious proprioception? I might need to show them the consciousness difference between dorsal column and the spinal cerebellar on the chart. When they land on spinal cerebellar, I would ask, which one travels through C8 to L3? Then I would make my statement. What's neat is I've opened up another learning opportunity. Which motor tracts has cell bodies in the ventral gray horn? When they figure out it's all of them, I would ask, which one is the alternative pathway to the cortical spinal? And then they would sound out their statement. Playing my card here, I would ask, which tract is this? A lot of the time they will just say spinal cerebellar, and the important response is, which one? They have to get in the habit of identifying and specifying each tract. When they are starting to figure it out, give them some space. When they play this card, I would tell them, you can make more points off of that tract. If they can't figure out how to position their card to do it, I would ask them what the function of the lateral cortical spinal is and make them figure out their second statement. Then I would tell them how many points they would have earned if we were playing for points. Train tracks is a form of abstract learning and self-testing. It has wonderful results with students. Holding a tournament is a lot of fun, especially when some money can be won. Check out corticalmedia.com for the rules and other products like the Anatomy Companion Workbook and the complementary card game. Thank you for your time.